Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The importance of Nangaréo, prayer, Artura Meyi alafia boruku, olorun kokoibere abayiki, sumajana, sala malekun, sala aremu, seda itana, medina, akana, boda, kupa, mbeleyo, modun, boloyo, kakafeina, mefoyo, lodafun, Ṣàngó, kaferefun, olorun, Nangaréo. Story. Ṣàngó used to go out on journeys through neighboring lands to observe the various states or conditions in them. On one of these journeys, he arrived in a land named Àrá-Málè, and he noticed a remarkable difference in the welcome he received compared to other lands where they greeted him with moforibal, prostration. In Àrá-Málè, the inhabitants performed an imploring ceremony that lasted until midday. This ceremony consisted of offering prayers around a gourd of Sarao-Ekó, which represented both breakfast and lunch for them. Ṣàngó visited the land of Àrá-Málè again and clearly witnessed the harmony and tranquility of the people. This caused him great concern when thinking about the severe problems faced by the land of Takua, which was at war with all its neighboring regions and could not celebrate any religious ceremonies due to its turmoil. After some time, seeing the situation in Takua, Ṣàngó took a boat and returned again to the land of Àrá-Málè. There he struck everyone gathered with his bataz, ceremonial drumsticks, scattering the crowd. During their dispersion, he took the gourd of Sarao-Ekó, which the people of Àrá-Málè used not only to pray to Olorin, but also to Egun, ancestral spirits. When Ṣàngó arrived in Takua, he ordered sand to be brought to anchor the gourd of Sarao-Ekó, and he performed moyubo, ritual greeting, offering coconut to both Olorin and Egun. From that moment, Nangaréo was established in the Yoruba land. Note: this is why during the Ita, spiritual reading of destiny, one must perform Nangaréo. Thanks to this practice, Ṣàngó was able to wage his great wars against all neighboring lands, with the Ashe, spiritual power of Obatala, and always reporting to the Supreme Being, the solar deity Olorin, the sun.